on already. Go.
Good morning! Today is a very special day. Kasi birthday ng isa ng aming isa sa aming prinsesa.
Mama!
Yes, it's si Chet's birthday. Happy birthday, Lalab. Yan. So we are preparing. Nagpaplano kaming lumabas. I cover hand, right? Nagluto si Mr. ng noodles. So dadalhin namin yan. Nagpe-prepare kami ng fruits and vegetables na mga dadalhin. Pupunta kami sa dagat. Doon namin sa-celebrate yung birthday niya. So, ayun. See you later, alligator. So, guys, we are on the way back. On the way. So, we're on the way. Papunta pa lang kami, guys. Yan, papunta pa lang kami.
So, guys, we're going to the beach.
So, kumain kami ng tinapay kasi daw nang pag-breakfast kanina. Sobrang busy. Kaloka. Ayan. I forgot the fish.
On top, we're going to put one like aluminum.
Yeah, but that's a prepare now.
Yeah.
Guys, ayan, nasa bahay na kami, kakauwi lang namin, and andyan na yung mga gamit. Yung aking bra. Hindi ko pa naitatago. Ayan, so nag-start na ako pagka-uwi namin, pagkalagay ng mga gamit dito. Nag-start na ako magluto ng chicken. Ayan, dapat ano ko siya kasi wala akong time para tutukan ba kung yung ginawa ni Sis Azinab. So, wala akong time para tutukan siya. So, ang ginawa ko, nilagay ko na lang siya sa oven. Ayan. Niluluto ko siya sa oven. Guys, and then, dinagdagan ko lang siya ng, ng celery. So, kagabi ko siya minarinate. And then, ngayon ko siya niluluto. Ayan, kauwi lang namin, ng oras? 5:30, magpa 5:30. Ayan, so niluto ko kaagad para makahabol ba. So sana maluto kaagad. Ayan, and magluluto lang kami ng rice. Kasi gusto ni si Qian yung wrap kaso wala akong nabiling wrapper. So ayun. Dami pang gagawin.
Hey, where you go?
Happy birthday. Ate. Go closer. Can I see?
Happy birthday
Day to you.
One more time, make it fast. Happy birthday, Suchan. Happy birthday, Suchan. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Suchan.
Now make a
Okay,
wish.
make a wish, my love.
My hand.
Make a wish.
You wish,
Make
Okay,
wish.
make a wish before you blow.
Close your eyes.
you wish for what?
Yeah, you wish for what? Go. You wish for drawing book.
Có Yan.
See you after.
Happy
I
birthday
have one,
to
two.
you.
I have two.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday
Upload
to
si Kaya.
you.
You blow, blow, okay?
Then I can see the box here.
I give you the...
I don't want the box.
Happy birthday
The
to
box here, lalagyan
you.
din.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
What's that?
No, this one is in the...
Happy birthday to you.
Careful, let's try.
Mama, can you remove the box?
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Rice.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Yeah. Malaki.
Birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Oh, you want everything to be like the chicken now? Oh.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Yes, that's
Happy
potato.
birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Did you fart?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
You looking for what?
Mama,
Your present. Your present, Your present is where, Han?
Don't forget to buy.
You What gift you want? What gift you?
book.
A coloring book.
So then now we saw there.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
No,
Okay, Mama.
we
saw already. Okay.
Then we saw it.
Go sit down there. I told you to sit down there. What? Okay. So because we cannot just give to the celebrant, so only. So we bought two. Papa bought two. This is for si Chen. Happy birthday, Lalav. Happy 7th birthday. What are you gonna say? And see you in advance. What you gonna say?
Thank you.
So, have you already greet your Ate si Chen? Can you greet her?
I'm already great in the morning.
This morning nga. Now we're celebrating her birthday. Now what? Ay, you're so busy eating na. Is it nice? How's the cake? How's the taste?
Birthday to you.
Nice,
Happy
Do you like the cake? Si Chen, where's your cake? There, oh. Here, oh. How's the cake?
Happy birthday.
Papa also want to try. Baby, see, why do you like the cake? Do you want to try? Oh, yeah, my baby also want to try. Okay, now you open. Open your present.
To you.
Open the present. Open the gift. Dun, 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 dun.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
It's not your birthday, eh? Oh?
Mama, I think it's a
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
What?
Happy birthday to you.
I want the coloring book. I want also.
I knew it. Do you like it?
Happy birthday.
Wow.
How can I throw these in the last one? This one, the first one is fine. Oh, okay. Yeah, one and I want this one. Okay, I want the
Okay?
To you.
That's it. Why?
Happy
You still want to...
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
You have a lot of markers there, what?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Color pencils. So guys, thank you for watching. And
use your color, you know the long ones? No. Why?
so guys, thank you for watching. And ay, honey, the water. Ayan, so guys, thank you for watching. And sana nag-enjoy po kayo. And sa mga hindi pa po nakakapag-subscribe sa aming YouTube channel, yes, please do so, and don't forget to hit the notification bell para updated ka sa mga bago naming videos. And don't forget to don't forget to share and comment down below. And yeah, hope to see you guys sa susunod naming video. Bye-bye. Good evening.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.